Hello, welcome back. I'm Abhishek De Silva, an undergraduate of the JAMA Institute for Advanced Technology. Welcome back with the project named eShop, and today I'm going to discuss about the program of the product removing process from the watch list. And here we can see, if I click on this remove button, the relevant product has removed from our watch list. So then let's move the code of this, and here in the watchlist.php file, here for the relevant removed button, I have given an on click where with the function as remove from watch list, and I have given a parameter as list id. Here I have recorded the list id as the parameter. And let's move to the JavaScript function to discuss about this remove from watch list function. And here's the relevant function, and we have obtained the id, or we have obtained the relevant parameter and stored that in the variable called id here. And then we have created a new XML HTTP request, and then we have stored the variable called request here. And then I have called an anonymous function in each change in state of this request, and inside this if condition I have checked whether the status is equal to 200 and the ready state is equal to 4, and if so, we have obtained the response state of this request and stored that in a variable called response here. And then I have checked whether if the response is equal to success, then we have used the reload function here, and if it comes to the else, it means the response is not equal to success, then we have displayed the relevant message that we have obtained from the server side. And then here I have sent this information to the server side through the get method. I have sent the relevant information to the remove watchlist process.php file, and then I have binded the id to this url that's stored in this variable called id. And then I have used the true here to mention that we are using the ajax method. And then I have sent the relevant request. And if I move to this remove watchlist process.php file, here at first I have used the PHP script, and then I have included the connection.php file, and then after that I have obtained the relevant id that we get from the client side that comes to the get method, and store that in a variable called list id. And then I have called the search function with the query as select all from the watch list table, where the watch list id is equal to list id. And then here I have stored the relevant results that we get back from the database in a variable called watchlist results set. And then I have obtained the number of rows in it and stored the in a variable called watchlist num. And then I have checked whether the watchlist num is equal to 0 through this if condition. If the watchlist num is equal to 0, we have alerted message, or we have displayed the message as something went wrong and please try again later. And the watchlist num is not equal to 0, it comes to the else of this if condition. And inside this else, I have obtained the result that's stored in this watchlist result set through this fetch as you can store that in a variable called watchlist data. And then I have called an IOD function with the query as insert into the recent table, and I have mentioned the columns as a product id column and the user email column, and I have set the values to this product id and user email columns as the watchlist data product id. That means the product id that's stored in this watchlist data, and then the user email that's stored in this watchlist data. And then again I have used an IOD function, and I have delete from the watchlist table where the watchlist id is equal to list id. And then I have displayed I have echoed a message as success. That is the process of this product removing process of the watchlist page. So then let's meet with the next video, and bye for now.